Hey yo, let's unbox this Epiphone 1959 Les Paul Standard. And please like and subscribe to my channel. So I got this guitar for 54,995 Philippine pesos, or 999 US dollars. This comes with a vintage style brown hard case, which makes it a great bargain. The case is secured by draw bolt latches. That also gives that vintage feel, and the inside is covered by pink fabric material. This guitar comes in two colors. I got the aged dark cherry burst, which in my opinion looks better in satin aged finish. The other one, which I will be showing below, is aged dark burst, and it also looks great. The body has two knobs each for volume and tone, three-way switchcraft toggle, Indian laurel fretboard, and the signature Gibson trapezoid inlay.